Today, we're going to talk about Alt functionality or accelerator keys to boost your speed. PC users can do literally everything from their keyboard utilizing the Alt functionality. So if you're in Excel and we hit the Alt key, notice at the top of your screen, you get these little accelerator keys when you hit the Alt key. This allows you to move forward or backwards within Excel utilizing nothing but the keyboard. Notice that if I hit Alt and F, it brings us into the file menu and I can continue to use my keyboard. If I hit escape, it brings me back a level and I can continue going. For instance, if I wanted to access the home menu, I hit the H key. Now, I don't recommend memorizing specific things, but as you start to work in Excel, as you continue to use your keyboard in this way, try to not use your mouse for a couple weeks, and I guarantee you'll be 10 times faster in Excel just because you're using your keyboard instead of the mouse.